Antique wall mount faucet, with 2-handle. Product code, FS710D. Retail price, $358. Sale price, $176.24. Give your bathroom an elegant glance with antique wall mount faucet, with 2-handle and fixtures. This is one of the trendiest finishes across decor styles in the bathroom. The faucet has elegant flowing, ideal for hand washing and other everyday tasks. This faucet has a luxurious design and elevates the appeal of your decor, made from the highest quality and for great taste. When it comes to new bathroom sink faucets, Fontana Showers is offering shape, finishes, and styles that you're looking for. It comes super seal technology inside, capable of delivering superior performance with solid construction for long durability that will upgrade your bathroom with a modern and cool look. For a long period of time, antique wall mount faucet with 2-handle features, faucet type, sink faucet. Hot and cold water, yes. Type, ceramic plate spool. Faucet style, classic. Installation type, wall mount. Number of handles, dual handle valve, core material, ceramic.
Secure the wall mount valve
Surface
to the cross member by
treatment,
driving in
brush.
all 4 screws. Notice the minimum and maximum wall markings on the protective caps. Start by removing the protective caps. A foam gasket was pre-installed inside the handle adapters to save you a step. No plumber's putty or silicone is needed. A grease kit is included in the valve box. Apply the grease to the internal threads of each handle adapter. This avoids cross-threading and makes installation easier. Thread each handle adapter by hand until it's flush and snug against the wall. If you're doing a thick wall installation, insert a handle spline extension into each stem before attaching the handles. Depending on the wall thickness, you may need to trim the handle spline extension. Attach each handle by rotating it until tight. For added flexibility, the spout shank is adjustable from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches to accommodate any wall thickness. Loosen the set screw and adjust the shank for the wall thickness. The set screw hole should be flush with the front of the finished wall. Tighten the set screw until it's secure. Apply the gasket to the spout. The slot should point downward. Slide the spout onto the shank and tighten close to the wall. Thread the set screw, then finish tightening the spout so it's flush to the wall. Secure the spout in place by driving the set screw into the shank. Moen's wall mount valves are impact compatible, which means any Moen wall mount trim can be used with the valve, and you can easily change the trim in the future without replumbing behind the wall.